All right, next, this is your starting order. Brian Bodine will call you first. Don Tran will call you second. David Thompson will call you third. Rick Yoder will call you fourth. Bruce Lewis, you'll start fifth. Jake Alton will start sixth. Dewan Moore will call you seventh. Mike Lever will call you eighth. And Scott Barnes is going to start ninth. Quarter marshal, please pay attention. Good luck to these drivers. Wait for your name. Brian. Dow. David. Rick. Bruce. Jake. Juwan. Michael. And Scott. All cars go. All right, we're off and running with race number 15. Lawrence, Constant, Moore. .130 in and 4:30 left to go. Constant out in front, 14.9 the last time by Barnes in the second spot, trailing by 1.1, 14.8 for Scott. And Dewan with the 14.9 moving up into the 2 spot just for a moment there. Dewan dropping back. Going to be David Constant, Scott Barnes, and Brian Bodine are top 3.
Where's David's car? Right there. Look good.
Moore, Tran, Yoder, Alton, Everett, and Lewis to complete the running order. David Constant still leading the way by just a half a second over Brian Bodine. Bodine holding 4/10 over Scott Barnes. Tight battle up in front.
Come on, Scott.
2:30 down and 3:30 left to go, guys. 2:30 down and 3:30 left. Brian, our race leader, 14.7. Watch you coming on the straight, left-hand side. Watch you coming on the straight, clear. Bodine 3/10 out in front of Constant. Constant 9/10 out in front of Scott. It's going to be 1.2 between our top 3. Three down, 3 to go, guys. We're halfway there. 3 down, 3 to go. Brian, David, and Dewan, followed by Scott and Dow to round out the top 5. Rick, Jake, Michael, and Bruce. .330 down, 2:30 left, down, 3:30 down, 2:30 left to go. It'll be a 1.1 second lead for Brian Bodine.
Hey, Tim.
Should do this orange one onto the backstretch. David Constant in the second spot down off the backside of the track, and now Dewan Moore battling out with Scott Barnes for third. Dewan in third, Scott in fourth, and Tran to round out the top 5. 4 minutes down and 2 minutes left to go. Leader spaces at 25 and a 6:14. Unstuck, go, go, go. That's our race leader, so David Constant going to have a chance to catch up to Brian now.
That's what I mean.
1 minute and 30 seconds left to go. Then 1:30 left. Brian, David, and Dewan, followed by Scott and down to round out the top 5. Race number 15 on the track. Race number 16 is coming up next. Guys, race 16, our second group of GT12R. Getting ready. Race number 17, start heading to tech. Brian, David, and Dewan are top 3 here. 24 to 6:02, the pace for the orange car through the center of the course. Constant only 1.8 seconds off of our race leader now. 14.8 backed up in the 15 flat for our race leader. Constant 15.4 backed up in the 15.3 for seconds. Dewan and Scott Barnes still battling out for third, separated by a half a second. 25 seconds left.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
What's heavy? You're supposed to have a thicker body. But
It's everywhere right now. Barnes picking up the third spot off Dewan. It's going to come down to the buzzer beater. Will it be Scott or will it be Dewan? We got Val versus Rick for the fifth spot as well. And Jake versus Michael for seventh. So 3 battles going on here. Right to the wire. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We got 6 more to finish, 5 more to finish, 4 more to finish, 2 more, guys, 2 more.
Not one.
Here comes the battle for third, and it's going to be Scott Barnes holding on to third. That's a race. Everybody is done. It's going to be Brian Bodine taking the win, 24 and a 6:01. David Cross is second, 24 and 6:05. Scott Barnes third, 24 and a 6:11. Dewan fourth and Thal fifth. Rickman shut him down. Rick got 6th, Jake 7th, Michael. And Bruce to complete the running order.